Look across the landscape of Telangana, and you'll find a recurring challenge common to growing regions. For years, a significant number of childbirths occurred outside of formal medical facilities, directly contributing to high infant and maternal mortality rates. The government moved to centralize the maternal care experience entirely within the state hospital network. This shift allows the Department of Health to carefully manage every single touchpoint of a pregnancy under a unified program. Solving for mortality rates requires more than a simple cash handout. To be effective, the intervention must function as an integrated system, controlling the entire experience from early pregnancy through the postpartum period. This system operates on 3 pillars. First is the physical component, the KCR Baby Kit. It's a 16-item package loaded with essentials like clothes, baby soap, mosquito nets, and diapers, designed to cover 3 full months of neonatal hygiene. Then comes the capital. To offset the wages a mother loses during pregnancy, the state provides direct cash assistance. The payout structure is tiered. Families receive up to 12,000 rupees for a boy and 13,000 rupees for a girl. The third pillar is logistics. Under the Amma Odi component, a dedicated network of GPS-enabled ambulances provides free transit, picking expectant mothers up from their homes for checkups and the eventual delivery. When a mother is fully guaranteed free transport, a kit of essentials, and direct cash to cover her missed work, the traditional barriers to seeking professional help are removed. These 3 critical incentives work in tandem to safely pull deliveries into the safety of a medically supervised hospital environment. A system this ambitious only works if people can actually use it, so the onboarding process is intentionally lean. The financial anchor requires just one primary document, an Aadhaar card. It must be strictly linked to an active bank account to facilitate secure direct benefit transfers. Alongside that, mothers need a mother-child tracking system, or MCTS, registration number to ensure they stay on the medical radar. This 2-document requirement balances accessibility for rural populations with a strict financial checkpoint to block fraudulent claims. The user journey begins in the community. Expectant mothers register their pregnancy on the MCTS software directly through their local ASHA or A&M frontline workers. When it's time, they call 102 for transport. After delivery at a government facility, the physical kit is handed over immediately. Cash assistance isn't a lump sum. Funds are distributed in installments tied to the newborn's vaccination schedule. By distributing the cash in stages linked to medical appointments, the state converts a one-time delivery incentive into a multi-year strategy for pediatric care. The cost framework for this program is absolute. The registration, the 102 transport, and the KCR kit itself are entirely free. The official user fee is exactly 0. Because there is cash involved, bad actors may try to exploit the system. You must watch out for private clinics or unauthorized agents who demand a fee, claiming they can secure or expedite the kit transfers. To protect yourself, follow a strict rule of engagement. Only interface with authorized AMM or ASHA workers, and only register at official government hospitals. Maintaining this statewide network relies on frictionless access, backed by a rigorous defense against exploitation. Stick to the official channels and use verified platforms to safely navigate your eligibility.